Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 16 of Countdown Math 7, class 7th. The topic of chapter number 16 is quadrilaterals. So first of all, we will learn about the quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? Here is the definition of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed four-sided plane figure. So by this definition we have learned that a four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. Here in example you can see a shape is given which is A, B, C, D. So it has four sides A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. So this four-sided figure is called, and every four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. So by explaining, the elements of a quadrilateral are its four sides, these four sides, and four angles, and these four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. A diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment joining its two opposite pair of vertices. What is a diagonal? A diagonal in a quadrilateral, the opposite vertices, a line segment which joins the opposite vertices is called the diagonal. So in this quadrilateral we have two diagonals, angle A and angle C, opposite angles. This line AC joins these two vertices, so we can say that AC is the first diagonal, and the opposite angles B and D, the line BD joins these two opposite angles, so it is the another diagonal. So a quadrilateral has two diagonals. Diagonals of the quadrilaterals ABCD are AC and BD. Now here we have some kind of quadrilaterals. So the first, as you can see that all the figures are given have four sides. So these all are called the quadrilaterals. But every quadrilateral has a new name due to its properties. So first quadrilateral you can see is a parallelogram, and second one is rhombus, rectangle, square, trapezium, isosceles trapezium and a kite. Now we learn the definition of these quadrilaterals. A parallelogram. A parallelogram, this one, is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are parallel and equal. As you can see that its opposite sides are equal and parallel. So side AD and BC are equal and parallel, and side AB and side DC is also equal and parallel. So in parallelogram all the opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. In second, rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal. It is a rhombus and all its sides are equal in length and parallel also. So third one is a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angles. In rectangle all the angles are right angle and its opposite sides are also equal and parallel. The fourth one is a square. As you can see that all the sides of square are equal and each angle of its of 90 degree. So a square is a rectangle with four equal sides. Next one is a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral with two and only two parallel sides. It's only two parallels. It has these two parallel sides and other two are not parallel. So it is a trapezium. Next one is an isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, two pair of only two sides are parallel and other two are equal in length. So we can say that it's an isosceles trapezium. Next one is a kite. A kite is a quadrilateral in which the two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. These two sides are adjacent which have a common vertex, so these are the adjacent sides, they are equal in length, and the C vertex, these two sides are also adjacent sides with common vertex C, they are also equal in length. So in a kite is quadrilateral in which two pair of adjacent sides are equal. In general, the opposite sides are not parallel. Their opposite sides are not in parallel. Generally, they are not parallel. In some cases, they can be parallel. So these are the different kinds of quadrilaterals. You have to learn all the types of these quadrilateral.